Quality forecast. We warn you first with Chief Meteorologist Chase Menendez.
Well, good evening, everybody. We've got some very nice, quiet, and mild conditions out there for this evening. Not too much in the way of cloud cover out there. You can see a star or a planet, something like that, showing up here on our satellite, or rather our sky tracker. It's looking pretty good out there. Very clear, quiet conditions. Wind speeds remain calm, and even temperatures very comfortable. We're sitting in the 70s right now for Odessa and Midland, so if you want to get out there for this evening, I think it's a nice night to do so. Watch out for those stars, though. We'll see a little bit of cloud cover rolling in, moving around out there, so not a great night for stargazing, but you will be able to catch a few, just like our sky tracker did. Switching over here to our satellite and radar, though, you can see a high pressure and a low pressure system are beginning to mingle, starting to interact a little bit. Now you can see during the daytime, you can see a lot of cloud cover getting highlighted by our satellite and radar, and then as the sun sets, conditions generally quiet down. Now that's what's happening here with these two systems. The high pressure is going to start moving off to the east. You can see it's going to start pushing that low pressure system out of the way. We'll actually kind of battle a little bit, if you want to call it that. But either way, we're going to be under the influence of this high pressure for a little while until the low pressure that high pressure wants to fight with will start taking away from that high pressure's energy and removing its influence from our area here in West Texas. And so the typical high pressure effects will be lasting for a couple more days, but after that we'll start to lose some of the influence from that high, namely clear conditions, low rain chances. That's what we've got going on here today, and that's what we saw for most of this week so far. We do have a lot of feedback actually showing up here on the satellite and radar. Very, very cool to see those concentric circles showing up right around the satellite and radar dome, but that's nothing unusual, nothing to be concerned about. Just indicates some dry conditions here at the surface and a little more humidity in the mid to upper parts of the atmosphere. South of I-10, no such feedback, at least not here in West Texas. You see a little bit of rain phasing out Marfa and Alpine, but rain would not be the worst thing in the world. We're starting to pick up a little bit of drought right now. You can see a lot of these dry patches outlined in yellow, even some moderate patches in that sandy tan color are beginning to filter into West Texas as well throughout some of the borders here of our viewing area. It's just we're not likely to see any rain for the next couple of days while we're under the influence of that high pressure. So tomorrow you can expect temperatures to warm up, cloud cover to move into West Texas, but for the most part, no real rain chances for anywhere here in West Texas for the next couple of days, as a matter of fact. Now, highs will pick up to 92 tomorrow, a little warmer than what we saw today, 91 on Friday, and then up to 93 on Saturday before finally cooling down with another cold front coming through as that high pressure loses its grip. Now, that'll also let some strong winds in, too. About 20 plus miles per hour sustained is about what we can expect on Sunday. And from there, we continue to cool down into Monday, pick up again Tuesday, and then down again. Finally, it looks like some of that fall weather is here to stay starting next Wednesday.
Yeah, get back out the sunscreen and the tank tops.
There you go.
Sure, man.
That's the name of the game for the next couple of days.
All right. Thanks, Jason.
Thanks.